Welcome back to our woodworking journey where creativity meets craftsmanship. In this video, we'll diving into the tier top woodworking idea that will undoubtedly ignite your ignite your passion for the craft, whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting. This meticulous craft project would inspire you to transform raw wood into a stunning work of art. From functional pieces to outdoor medievals, we will go to covered with a myriad of possibilities. So grab your tools, let's embark on the exciting woodworking adventure together. Our first step showcase woodworking project that seamlessly blend functionality and elegance, craft and custom-made floating shelves that not only display our cherished profession but also elevate the aesthetic of any space. Our perhaps develop into creating a sleek, minimalist laptop stand that enhance both ergonomic and style from ergonomic one rack to versatile kitchen organizer. This project may be practical with a touch of sonification, letting your showcase your woodworking process while making it more organized and beautiful. If you are yearning to infuse the living space with character, session to your heaven, discover art of design, intricate wood wall art that tell story, fashion and enchanting wood, lamp that cast captivating shadow intensity, turning any room into cozy treat. This woodworking venture celebrates the immersive creativity and craftsmanship, allowing you to personalize your surrounding with a unique touch to any handmade decor can provide. Step into the claim of classic wood journey. We will unveil the timeless beauty of motifs and Waker giant mastering the technique, open outdoor crafting, heirlooms, quality furniture stand the test of time. Dive into the dedicated word art cultivar to explore efficiency of pocket hole journey, all while unlocking a secret of seamless wood connection that hark back to woodworking tradition. Witness the magic of uncycling session where the breathe new life, discarded wooden pieces transform weathered plate into rusty, cheap, profitable, repurposed auto into stunning headboard that exude character. This session not only showcase your commitment to sustainability but also highlight the beauty of turning overlooked materials into functional art of pieces. As we wrap and wide range of the captivating woodworking ideas, remember that every chisel, cut every joint, meticulous crafted is the step toward mastering that timeless art form. Either you are drawn to the allure of functional elegance, the charm of article home decor, precious of classic journey wooden toys and eco-consciousness of upcycling. The world of woodworking welcome your creativity and open art. So pick up your tools, emboss a dream, Enter the enchanting world of woodworking, where I would evolve into memorizing farm on an it from delicate globes that seem to defy gravity, elegant tea species that demand attention, wood cutting provides background for creativity limited only by your imagination. Why not combine woodworking with brain teasing fun, craft, integrate wooden and games a challenge and delicate use of the edges from intricate interlocking strategic words, games, and creation not only showcase your skills but also provide honor to entertainment. Remember that your creation are limited only by your willingness to explore, experiment, so roll up yourselves. Grab your tools, let your imagination shape your next woodworking masterpieces. Until next time. If you are earning to refuse your living space with character session, is your heaven discovered that art of design intricate wooden mosaic art that tells visual story, alternating fashion and chatting wood lamp and cast captivating shadow intensity, turning any room into a cozy relief. This woodworking venture celebrates the emerge of creativity and craftsmanship, allowing up to personalize your surrounding with the unique touch that no handmade decor can provide. Step into the reclaimed classic wood journey as we unveil the timeless beauty of dovetails, motifs, and figure giants. Mastering these techniques open the door of crafting heirlooms quality furniture that stand the test of time. Dive into delicate hard cut rewards explore efficiency of pocket or journey toward unlocking the secret of seamless wood connection of harken back to woodworking tradition. Woodworking is not just it is a fantastic to creating cherished memories through wooden tools craft delightful that spark imagination or tension to set a wooden block that lay the foundation to endless creativity. The session dive into the gratifying work try making, allowing you to craft captivating playthings that will cherish by generation to come. Witness the magic of upcycling session where the breathe new life. Discarded wooden pieces transform weathered plate into rustic, profitable repurposed outdoor into stunning headboard execute character. The session not only showcases your commitment and sustainability but also highlights the beauty of turning overlooked material into